आज राजीव बजाज हमें वही बोल रहे थे कि भाई पल्सर हैज़ मेड एवरीथिंग फॉर अस।
करना
ये सब तुम लोग की वजह से हुआ है। ओ वाह क्या बात है, इसमें आप अपना फ़ोन चार्ज कर सकते हो, क्या बात है, वाह वाह वाह।
थैंक यू।
Bro, what is this? We're at the Pulsar launch and this is at the Bajaj campus dude. Like this is their newly opened property for this launch and many others to come. But they have a yin and yang pool. देखो जरा bloody, तुम लोग खरीदते रहते हो पल्सर और देखो फिर
Let's get the Pulsar out, Narayan.
आफ्टर 14 होल इयर्स बजाज ने बदल दिया है पल्सर का फेस और पल्सर की बॉडी और पल्सर के अंदर की व्हाट इज द इनसाइड ऑफ द बॉडी कॉल्ड, आई डोंट नो यार, इंजन बदल दिया है यार, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, सो बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन, 250cc air-cooled engine making this much power and this much torque. भाई मैं नंबर्स ना बोलूँ तो अच्छा है क्योंकि जब भी मैं नंबर्स बोलती हूँ जंबल हो जाती हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ माई डिसलेक्सिया। सो दिस इज द F250 which means it's the fed version of the 250 and if you look at it, so I'm going to just sit down and show you. This is not really fairing in my opinion. I wish they had like more of a fairing like the RS does, but at the same time Bajaj was asked about this at the press conference today and उन्होंने बोला कि भाई आगे देखो होता है क्या। ये कहाँ से आई ब्रो? Okay, by the way guys, this is the N250. So this is the naked version of that bike. Naked, fed, naked. I like the look of this bike more, definitely so. Look at it, it's got a very mean stance to it, almost has like an MT vibe to it, front and back. And also the colors, they do a lot more for me than just the basic red. My opinion, सब लोगों को red बहुत पसंद आ रहा है, I'm not saying anything about it, my opinion only. Here's what the F250 sounds like. Let's go. Finally rev bomb करने को मिल रहा है मुझे स्टेज पे, मतलब बहुत अच्छा। This is the N250. Of course it's going to sound the same, but I want to play both यार। अब आयो देखने के लिए तो सब दिखाना है। Okay guys, if you look at the headlamps now, they are now running LED projectors right here, and even the tail has a very very cool concept going on. Let me go back there and let me show you. One second, wait. ये देख, वाह। Let's go to the instrument cluster first. It's got all the information you need, but it does not have any Bluetooth. So beware, Bluetooth नहीं है इसमें. Then you've got the slipper clutch on this, which I think is a mighty important addition in today's day and age. Oh wow, क्या बात है, इसमें आप अपना फ़ोन चार्ज कर सकते हो, क्या बात है, वाह वाह। मुझे तो लगता ही है क्योंकि मेरा फ़ोन मरता ही रहता है। So this is now a 130 section tire. And by the way, these wheels are the same as the NS RS wheels, and also this gets a new braking system. So there's a lot of new things happening on both these new bikes. आज राजीव बजाज हमें वही बोल रहे थे कि भाई पल्सर हैज़ मेड एवरीथिंग फॉर अस। KTM, हुस्कवर्ना जो भी आया बाद में आया, पर हमारा जो हीरो प्रोडक्ट है it will always be Pulsar, and that is why it is a very big moment for them to be doing this, to be coming up with something like this. Now you have a monoshock here. Look guys, अभी इसका weight का तो बताना ही पड़ेगा of course, because weight is such an important factor. Quite light यार, very nice. So this is 162 kilos curb weight. This is the N, and the F250 is 2 kgs more. I'm guessing it's because the fairing and other factors. So this is 164 kgs. And the seat height on both of these is 795 mm. Let me just sit down again and show you. It's nice. I can almost flat foot, so that's a really good thing. And that's one of the greatest things about Pulsars, right? That they're easy to ride. The seat height doesn't make you uncomfortable. They're not too tall. They're not too awkward for most people. And that is why Pulsars sell like hotcakes, yaar. And it's also got your normal handlebar, while the F has a clip-on handle. Dikhao, sabko dikhao. Okay guys, between the N250 and the F250, I have to say that I am a bigger fan of the N250. भाई मुझे तो बड़ी पसंद आई है. इसकी जो आँखें हैं, इसका जो face है, I absolutely loved it. And the F250 will grow on me, I guess. Coming to the pricing, this is priced at 1,38,000 ex-showroom Delhi, or this is priced at 1,40,000 ex-showroom Delhi. And yeah, that's about it. What do you guys think about this, about both the new launches from Bajaj? This is a very important product for the company, by the way. So I would love to hear from you in comments. Batao fast, abhi. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See ya!